Going up in the Incredibles coaster. It's that one. I'm gonna do everything I ate in Disney video.
You're walking and talking to
It's really good, but it's so big and they don't want to share it with me. I thought they wanted to share it with me. Go to the souvenir shop and look for a crop top.
If you want it, you have to purchase it.
Now we're trying to get mac and cheese cone. What do you think about the mac and cheese?
It's like mac and cheese.
Is it yummy? You're not even saying it.
Nothing special.
That's good for me.
Cheesy. Cheesy and mappy.
I rate it 7 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Now we're waiting in line for the Cars ride. We weren't able to get fast passes today, but hopefully we get tomorrow because we're going to the main Disneyland. We're in California Adventure now, if I didn't mention. Yeah, I don't know what other food to get here in California Adventure. Oh, I want to get like the cocktails. There's like a spicy cocktail and there's like a pink one. I don't know yet.
You're gonna buy me, right?
No, because he doesn't have an ID, so he can't drink. We're in the... Fix your hair! It's so fun!
Just follow Mater into town.
Good Chica! Good Chica!
Let's not stop! Let's stop! I forgot to share, I got this raspberry limoncello aid. I love both raspberry lemonade and limoncello. I haven't had limoncello in so long though. It's like a really yummy alcoholic drink. I love sweet alcoholic drinks. I don't really like beer and stuff, so I really like this. I'll rate this like an 8 out of 10. It's kind of strong, not gonna lie. Boyfriend and his brother are gonna ride. It's the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, and I don't want to ride with them because it's a drop and I hate drops only. I could do roller coasters, but not like full-on drops. So I got birria tacos for dinner. Really good. I already had like a couple of bites. What do you think of the chicken sandwich? Oh yeah, I was supposed to review that also.
It's kind of like a schnitzel. It's very much a schnitzel.
Parang manipis lang eh. Let's try to make it to the Ferris wheel by sunset.
Ball is rolling and not.
I want him to win me a prize.
That's a practice for Mama.
Will you even win this?
I'm pretty sure they do.
It's hard.
I'm just stopped.
Yeah?
I just won a game.
Kuya, let her win. Kuya, let her win.
No, I won on purpose.
That's what somebody who won. They didn't win fair and square would say. Exactly what they'd say.
There's video proof. He literally videoed it.
So then they said that
We're on the moving Ferris wheel. The gondola.
No. They went.
Disney Day 2. We're gonna ride the Star Wars ride first. We were able to get genie passes, aka the fast passes. It's like hot now, but then later it's gonna be so cold. I didn't vlog anymore last night. It was so cold. My cheeks are super red now. Not because of blush, but of like windburn or something. I don't even know. But we're gonna ride the Ride of the Resistance first. It's the best ride for me in Disneyland. Yesterday, when we went to California Adventure, the best ride for me was the Incredibles roller coaster. I'm so excited to go to Star Wars Land. It's so pretty here.
what?
Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit. Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3 for Picard. Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway.
There's a
What
type
is this? The green. I got the swirl. The blue milk and the swirl. And it looks like gulaman, low-key. I will get it again. It's yummy.
Hey,
What do you rate the blue milk?
8.5 out of 10.
Yeah, same.
Do you,
But
you get the like bars too?
Mine is like, I don't know, I have to mix it.
8.5 only because
But it has like gulaman stuff.
Yeah, an hour
Don't
to
get the swirl. It's so bad. You're paying like an extra $1.50. It's so maasim. Just get the regular one. Can't even see it because of our reflection. Get it.
Who is it?
Next, I got popcorn. Yeah. How much do you rate the popcorn?
8 out of 10.
9.
I'd say like 8.
Best thing I've ate today.
It's the only thing you ate. I like it. Is it worth the $5?
Oh yeah. I don't know, parang 90 pesos lang yan.
Yeah, but in the Philippines, it would be like pure salt.
Yeah, there's no butter.
Okay, I got this iced matcha latte with raspberry syrup, 2 pumps, and then strawberry inclusions. I don't know if I like it more than the strawberry matcha. We'll see. I don't know. It's really good though. Like I didn't expect it to be this good, but it's good. Now we're riding the Buzz Lightyear ride. I'm gonna win against him because he's bad at everything. Yeah, I said earlier, it's really good, but I'm trying to conserve it so I don't pee. Hi, I'm winner! I'm winner! I'm winner! I'm winner!
To the bar!
Do a split! It's so cute. Okay, so we're here in Jolly Holiday. I got the chocolate macaroon. I was deciding between the raspberry or the chocolate, and then I got the chocolate because I feel like I'd like it more just because it's chocolate. I love raspberry though, but then I got it last time, and then I asked the counter, I was like, which one's better, the chocolate or raspberry? And then she had the chocolate because it's really seasonal. It's rare that they have chocolate, but they always have the strawberries. So. We also got like grilled cheese with tomato soup, the birria sandwich with the dip thing, and yeah, we're gonna review. What do you think about it?
It's good, it's good. I think it's good because it has American, all kinds of cheese.
I rate this a 7.5 out of 10. I like the soup though.
I'd say, yeah, 7 is pretty decent.
Okay, trying the birria one. It's really soggy for me. I mean, it's good. It's very like flavorful. I think I like the grilled cheese and tomato soup more for me. Yeah.
How much were the tacos yesterday?
11.
15. Same price. This one has so much more meat. Maybe like a 7.5 over 10.
It's so soggy for me. I want the bread to be like crunchy. The Millennium Falcon. I'm finally eating it. They're like hours and it's so soft, but it's really good. But it's sweet. I would rate this like 8 out of 10. I don't know if I like this one more than the raspberry. I forgot how it tastes like. The raspberry is like also really sweet, but it has real raspberries. We're at the parade. I'm in a car alone. We're riding on Topia. The girl asked like, are you guys riding together? And then I was like, yeah. And he's like, no, I want my own car. I didn't even want to drive. I didn't eat much today. I just realized, what else can I buy before we go home? I don't even know. I forgot to shoot an outro again. Good people. He's kind of scared because I brought him in my room for the first time after a long time. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the Disney vlog. Comment down below your favorite food at Disney, so next time if I go back I can try them out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for people. Say hi people.
She ain't got no money, her clothes are